Okay, so I lost my jumper cables, so I cut a cord off of an appliance inside.
You don't have the right tool, you don't have jumper cables, you don't have a little jump box. This was like 60 bucks. This will pay for itself. It's even cheaper than AAA. This is gonna save your butt. Do not, dude, I'm gonna show you the rest. Do not, just don't do it.
And I'm gonna see if I can get it to start. And an extension cord inside plugged in an outlet at this end, so they don't fry anything.
Again, you're not going to plug an outlet and jump your bat. Oh my god. AC versus DC current. Guys, that please don't do that.
Fry my car, probably. Here we go.
So hopefully you learn that no matter what happens in your life, whatever was going to happen, if you're going to be late, you're going to miss something, it's better than almost, hopefully he's not injured or hurt. But my gosh, please don't do that. That is deadly, dangerous. If you don't have a friend that has a jumper cable, you don't have the jump box, call. It's worth whatever. Your life's not worth dying over because you couldn't jump a battery properly. Please just don't do that.